Hey guys, today we are not messing around. We're gonna jump right into it. My name is Greg Judd. We're live with you here at SLCAudio with yet another amazing pedal from our friends at Deadbeat Sound. I introduce to you the analog delay. For those of you looking for what the actual control knobs on the pedal do, Big Brian's created an amazing video that goes through all of that. My goal today is to play through some songs that you may recognize and some songs you may not that feature the delay pedal. Fans of Radiohead, fans of all the ambient rock out there, Pink Floyd, this is the perfect pedal to create those really ambient, cool sounds that you hear on those records. Pedal off. Pedal on. One of my favorite things about delay pedals is creating the ambience, the sound of multi-layers, which are found on any Pink Floyd record, any Radiohead record, really taking things to a different realm than just playing clean through a normal channel. Pedal activated. Pedal off. Pedal activated. For all you Radiohead fans, fans of In Rainbows, fans of Pablo Honey, any of the early stuff, this is a pedal that complements any of that style of playing very nicely. We're gonna use Big Brian's favorite tuning, a little thing called Dad Gab, coming at you. Pedal activated. Name the song, Brian. Pedal on. Once again, coming to you live from SLCAudio with the one and only Big Brian. We appreciate all the hard work that he's putting in to make this channel awesome. To make things fun, if there's a song that you want to hear or a riff, put it in the comments below. Give us a like, and let's take this up a notch. Peace. Hi, how are you?
Nothing makes me feel more awkward than holding this guitar.
I'm sucking at words today. The playing's getting better though. Mad shout out to Give me a mad shout out. I'm sucking it up today. I like the intro. I don't like how I play that.
Read a book. The book I made last year to harmonize. So I did it like halfway through, and then I started to do.
She wants you to read more of that book.
The playing was good. The commentary was weak. I want to play that thing.